Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
This simple video demonstrates how Relativity Space built the world's largest 3D metal printer known as Stargate, which was used in making a fully functional rocket within 60 days. One was already made and was sent into space in 2021. In the making of the rocket fuel tank demonstrated in this video, the Stargate uses a precisely controlled robotic arm to deposit liquid aluminum layer by layer until the entire shape of the tank is formed. The demonstration above is not far from the ones you used to know about 3D printing. The material is deposited to form the entire shape through a repetitive and continuous feeding process known as the additive process. With the simplicity associated with 3D printing technology, the machine also helps to minimize the space needed for manufacturing, thereby making it possible for a giant factory to be possibly situated in a small space in about less than a 20-foot by 20-foot room space. The simplicity of the new technology has reduced the numerous steps usually involved in conventional manufacturing processes by allowing a single additive process machine to execute all the tasks associated with the production manufacturing process.
For watching, please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Please follow and like engineeringall.com in all social media.